Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing Build a Boat, a couple other games too. What the heck? Not oof. Well today, when Bryce gets home, if you guys never seen his videos, I'm going to make a video with him. So you guys got to tune in till like 5:30. It's 1:54, which is like 3 hours. So you can tune in on that one. So the first game we're gonna play is Build Boat, if I can even find it. No, where's Build Boat? There's Build Boat. Come on. I'm just gonna do it my team. And they're not gonna let me. Oh! Guys, look at that. Look at that. It's really rare. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you that. Come in the character, guys. Just change it. So sit down first. I'll show you guys. Where is it? Oh. So this one, and it is 400 Robux. It's 400 Robux. Oh yeah, guys, I have harpoons too. These I really want, but they're 200 Robux. Nobody cares about this. Well, I would like these. I would like to be that penguin. What the? What the heck just happened? What in the world just happened? I'm gonna scream. Wait, don't tell me this is a fly. This thing's flying. It's flying. Oh. Boom, baby. This is always happening. Guys, it's like always happening. Don't you dare think about it. What? I don't think these people know on the YouTube, but they will be screaming and jumping on my head. So they don't know. If you guys want to hop in. You can go on white team if this person lets you just tap like 88 times. Then whoever got on the team first will let you, maybe. Okay, this person's a slug and a worm. Come on, you worm. By the way, wait, are we almost at? We're not even close. Maybe I would just start like 5 seconds ago. Like how? What the heck? In the meeples. Okay, these are like staying on like so good. By the way, I'm freezing cold out. Freezing in my room. Yeah, in my room. This girl oh my god, whoever's driving it is ridiculous. They're really ridiculous. What? Dude, like, whoa, why? Wheels. Oh yeah, guys, there's some codes too that don't really work. Oh god, one is new set of wheels. I have a paper down of that, but I just can't spell it. I am first grade, but I can't spell that good. Yeah. And if you guys are second grade, get out. I'm kidding. Kidding. Now, oof. Hey guys, here I'm loading my best bow. I made this when I was like kindergarten. A. Load. Yes. Where is it? It's that piece block. I'm kidding. This is my actual best one. So hilarious. Come on, girl. Don't be a noob boob. Girl's being a noob boob. Girl, I'm not playing Roblox. Girl, do you know I'm a YouTuber or something? What are you doing, dumb? That's the sky. I believe I can fly. I believe I can. Oh my Lisa, you guys saw that. That was crazy. Come on. I fly today. Bang, 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 bang. We're gonna fly this to the end. Now that almost just crashed you. Oh, I'm kidding. I can't even know. Dude, imagine that hit us from up here. Guys, imagine this hit us from up here. What? It still hit us. It's just like. Guys, no, I'm looking at my clock right now. It says 2:01. No, it's really 2, but it's only 2:01. Toxic. I really don't know. Yeah, toxic. That's how you say it. I was like, how do you say it? This girl's a noob. I'm kidding. Girl, no, that was just a prank if you're like watching this right now on your phone. And if you're playing on your computer. I'm just joking. You're not a noob, girl. You're pro. You're pro. Whatever the heck your name is. Pro. I'm gonna call you pro from now on, okay? Guys, that's the end right there. Beautiful end. God bangers. Oh, cool dude 2 poop. What? Cool dude 2 poop 1. Is that even a name? Poop. You see that? Poop. Poopy. It's poopy. Oh my God. Dude, we're so close to the end. Hallelujah. Ho, ho, ho. Hallelujah. You bully. The girl's a bully. Now I'm calling this girl a noob. Girl, you're a bully and a mean Billy. Fatty, yeah, you're fatty also. It's hilarious. Are you guys toxic? Waste? Here, you guys are noobs. Lily, whatever the heck your name is, Lily, Billy. Oh yeah, and guys, I'm gonna record a video with Rye today soon. She is home. I called her like 88 minutes ago. Yeah. I didn't do that. This dude here did that. He did it again. Now the girl did it. Okay, I'm doing it.
Living on like
so fun. Oh my God, that's hilarious. Okay, are you guys new boobs? I like saying that word. It's so funny. And this is my other favorite word. Toys and boys. I always say that when Bryce or Rye gets crazy. And when When I get crazy, I say toys and boys. It's so hilarious. Hey, new boob. Hey, new boob. I'm sitting here tomorrow. Today, it's Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. Oh, yeah, baby. You nipple. Captain Hook. Your name's Captain Hook, you loser. Jerk. That girl's a jerk. Hey, Billy! I'll push you off the edge, Billy. Okay, that was hilarious. That was hilarious. Okay, you all are new boobs. Here, you guys are all the noobs, and you guys are all the boobs, and I'm the noob. Ah, teammate! Oh my god. Losies. Lily, from the boob. She's on the flipping edge. The flippy edge. Okay, I'm freezing here. Somebody please help me. I am freezing. Okay, I keep doing that for some weird reason. Ah! Are you seeing this? What the? Ugh. I'm about to oof right now. God, if she heard a oof, she would just scream. No one will be able to hear. Go beach me, Bobby Boo. Go beach me, Bobby Boo. Go beach me, Bobby. Yeah. That's the class. I see nothing. Hey guys, I've hot coke, whatever this is called, on my head. Ah! You nipple! This girl's a new boob. Girl, are you really sure? Are you sure about that? Guys, do you see that boat? It was, oh my god, it was from way back. Big. There. I mean, there. Oh, who's daydreaming, you guys? Everyone, skip that part. Tell your mother and your dad and your brother and your sister and your brother. Oh, I said brother already. Well, guys, did you even know it? Oh, yeah, I said that in like a couple days, like last month. That I have a brother. You new poop! You! Guys, this main really? You spoiled it, you butt. Your butt. Ah! Okay, what's this girl doing? You new boob! Oh, well. That was not supposed to happen, everyone. You new boob. Okay, this. Go! Guys, I jumped. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. I am controlling it. Oh, yeah. I never control any of it. Mom, what is it doing? What the heck? What the flip? Oh, now it's working. What the flip? Yeah, baby, we're gonna do this. No, we're not. We're not gonna do it at all. No. No. Oh yeah. My God, my hat just touched it. Guys, I think we're actually gonna make it. No, we're not. We just okay. Okay, you guys. Oh, what the heck? What the heck? Dude, that was nuts. Ah! My God, I almost died. No, I don't want to. Nobody wants to die this year. Yeah, better get on here. I'm freezing here. Please hold me some. Ah! Oh, yeah. Goodie bags. The death of bombs. 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 Are you guys seeing this right now? I'm bald. I'm bald these basics right now. Guys, I'm baldy. I'm gonna chunk your head off. Mommy. Are you seeing this ass? Look at it. Wait. Just go down there. Guys, I'm freezing cold like an ice cube right now. I'm an ice cube. Toys! Guys. Toys and boys. Please don't you dare. Don't you dare. No, nothing Blake. Break Blake. Yeah, nothing break Blake. Cake is tomorrow's dinner. Great. Well, can I see how much gold I have? Gold. Boom. Well, I'm a loser and a sucker. They really just went without me. They really went without me. They just went without me. Guys. My charger. Okay, my charger. Come on, charger. Okay, there you go, guys. My charger just fell off. Okay. I know, guys, this is like it's been like an hour so far. Oh my God, guys, it's been like a while. It's been like 30 minutes. You nipple. Guys, leave a comment down below what the heck is this girl doing? Is she a butt? Or is she just making a random thing? Here, let me just... Oh. Despicable me! Despicable P. Yeah, Despicable P. What the butt is this butt doing? What in the butt is this girl doing? Oh, I know what it is. I think I know what it is. She's a butt toucher. Get off. Get over here, you bully. No, you're not allowed up here. Okay. Guys, once I did a code OW, it actually worked. So, and it gave me 20 boxing gloves, which is really rare. It's like 2,000 bucks. Hilarious, guys. You have to do this code. It's so funny. Like, watch. Just watch. Here. Oh my God! It just sent me in the water. Just sent me right in the water. Oh, no. I'm bald. Guys, first time when I made the video, I thought that was Lil Bryce. Oh, guys, if you want to add me, mine's KevsGirl85. See? You're going to write that down. And Lil Bryce's... Bryce's is Little Bryce Man. 2012, yeah. Little Bryce Man 2012. So I think you should add him. I almost said her. If you want to add Rye, she's never in the videos yet, but I think you guys should add her. Hers is R. Lancelot. Her last name's Lancelot. Her first name, and her name begins with an R. Mine does too. Someone in my class did last year and this year. So that's real weird. This girl's Captain Hook. I'm calling this girl Captain Butt. Hi, Captain Hook. This girl's a butt toucher. This girl's also a noob. Bruh. 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 Bro. 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 Here, I'm gonna kiss the carpet. How dare you! God, if that nipple did it, I would kill her. No, everybody skip that. Never show your brother or sister that. Okay, this goes a new B. Oh! Don't tell me she's getting that. Okay, no. Oh, Lord. Guys, if you're playing a treasure hunt simulator, I forgot we're playing different games. Dang it! I forgot we were playing different games. I'm so stupid. So, and now we're gonna play Zombie Attack, which is Bryce's favorite game. If he really does call me, that's gonna be really bad. Easy is my goal today. That's really loud. Why is it so loud? That's some. Oh, my macaronis. Oh, my macaronis. Oh, my macaronis. Kill my team. Well, I'm dumb. Oh, yeah, baby. Elliot. There's an alien. What? They're aliens. Guys, have you ever seen this? They're aliens. You guys, I've never seen this. Like, this is so cool. They're actually aliens. Okay, I got myself trapped here. Don't the aliens hit me. Aliens. Yeah, they're aliens. Come on, kill everything. Boom! Boom, shakalaka, some more! Ooh, yeah, that grenade for the boss! The boss! Boom. Boom. Don't let the aliens hit me. Not to death! Speed coil! Okay. Why am I screaming? The thing's like 2 feet away from me and I'm screaming to death. Happy girl. Happy bee. Whatever the heck your name is. I didn't do that. The girl did. Okay, guys, I do tricks. I love tricks. I love to trick. I was the funniest kid in my class last year, like, and this year. It's like I'm so funny. Like, where the heck is the boss? The stinking ugly boss. The flipping balls. This is an alien boss. Let me guess. No, it's just a regular little stinker. Oh, yeah. Grenade! Oh, God, mother bear. Mother bear! The mother bear in baseball! Okay, put that grenade. Now throw it in his flipping... Oh, God. Oh, beg mercy, booger. Come on, boys and girls. You do this. Come on, boys and girls. Boys and girls and boys and boys and girls and boys. Ah! Holy Shabbat! Okay, Okay, I think we need to take this guy out. He's a big fat nerd. Guys, this guy's a big fat nerd. Zombie fat? Okay, where are you? Oh my god, I'm a big noob. Boo. Oh my god, I thought I just died. Oh yeah, baby. Come on, team. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. So this